Hey guys, my name is Yuri and today I'm filming with e.l.f. Cosmetics and I created this look using the 18 Hit Wonder palette. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So I'm taking the eye and brow pomade and I'm going to be doing my brows with this, and I'm also picking it up on the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush, and I love picking this up and warming it on the back of my hand. And then we're going to go in and fill in the outer part of my brow. I really love this pomade because it is so smooth, so you can use this as an eyeliner and it is beautiful. But I also love using it on my brows because it does not smudge whatsoever. Also, don't know if I mentioned it, but this is in the shade medium brown. So it does complement a lot of different hair colors. Using the back of the Duo brush, I'm just going to be combing it out. Now I'm going to be using the Lock-It Primer, and this is a sheer eyeshadow primer. And I'm using my finger, you guys, to warm up the product. And I'm just going to be applying this from my brow bone all the way out here because I love to extend my eyeshadow. So this is definitely going to make all the colors pop. And that's exactly what we want. Today we're going to be using the 18 Hit Wonder palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And it is absolutely beautiful. It has so much color and it is so versatile. We're going to be using a lot of bold colors, so let's get started. First off, we're going to come in with Electric, which is that beautiful blue right there, and we are going to be using a small contour brush. And again, I love using any brushes. This one I love because it fits right in the crease, and so we're going to start building this color right in the crease area. And I love to build from very soft to super, super opaque. So I'm just blending it back and forth and applying pigments very, very slowly. If you also want to prevent any type of fallout, go in really, really lightly and blend so that you don't get so much fallout once your face is done. Using small motions back and forth will help you get like that super seamless blend. And of course, that's what we want. We want it to look perfect and flawless. So I'm just going to be adding and adding the color until I'm super happy with it, and then we're gonna blend this out. So don't you worry, it's gonna look really, really good. Now that we don't have that much product on the brush, we are going to use what's left on there, and we're going to blend out the edges in small circular motions. Now using that same brush, and now we're going to be taking Evergreen right here, which is a beautiful, beautiful green right next to it. We are going to be blending out this blue. This one is going right above the blue. This is definitely going to help us blend it out super seamless. And I'm pulling it out because I really want to extend this color because it's going to go really, really well with a wing liner. Now I'm going to be using a medium-sized crease brush, and I'm going to dip into Solar right here, and we're going to apply this right under our brow bone. Now I'm blending that right above the green, and I absolutely love this color. It is like the perfect pop of color if you want like an inner corner or your bottom lash line. If you're afraid of color, don't you worry. This color is so, so beautiful. And we're just blending the edges of the green as well. Now we're going to be cutting our crease, and I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Medium Sand, and also using the flat eyeshadow brush to go with it. So the way that I cut my crease is I kind of keep my eyes open a little bit, and I go right above where my natural crease, or my natural eyelid ends, and I just start creating a half cut crease. Then I'm going to blend it out with my finger so there are no harsh edges. Now I'm taking a small precision brush and also the makeup mist set, and I'm just going to spray my brush just a little bit And now I'm going to be picking up the shade Vibrant, which is this silver right here. I'm applying that right here where my crease, I guess where my crease ends, where I did the half cut crease. And applying that really precisely. Now taking a flat eyeshadow brush and going into Moss, which is the shade right here. We're going to be placing this all over our eyelid. This shadow right here has a shift to it, so depending on where the lighting is, it can either be a little brown, it could be somewhat like a lime green. It goes beautiful, these colors mixed together, so I'm bringing it from the inner corner all the way out here. Now taking a small contour brush, I'm going to be dipping into Electric one more time, and we're going to be focusing this color on our outer edge. And we're just going to be placing this one right here. We're going to be closing off that eye right here and kind of just mixing these two colors together. Moss and Electric. Now for our wing liner, I'm going to be using the H20 Proof Eyeliner Pen, and this is in the shade Black. So here what I like to do is I like to drag the liner up first and then slowly build on the wing. And my focus here is more on the outer edge, so I'm not going to be bringing it all the way in. More drama here to extend my eye. Now to tightline, I'm going to be using the waterproof gel liner, and this is in the shade Black as well. And this is really going to be helping our eyelashes. For mascara, I will be using the Eye Enhancing Mascara, and this one is also in the shade Black. This is what the wand looks like right here. And you don't need much with this mascara because it really does help enhance your lashes. So one coat is enough. Now I'm gonna begin the other eye. For my bottom lash line, I will be using Electric and Evergreen mixed together. For my inner corner, I will be using Solar. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using the Luxe Lash Kit in Winged and Polish, and I will be stacking 2 of them. This lash kit also comes with applicators, so this makes it so much easier to apply your false lashes. Now coming in with the H20 eyeliner pen in Black, I will be going over my lash line so that there are no traces of false lashes. To finish off this look, I will be using the Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is in Mocha Twist. This shade is absolutely beautiful, and it really does complement any skin tone. It is super glossy. 1 layer is all that you need, and we're done. So now I'm all done with this look, and I'm super happy with the way it turned out. I love the blendability, the versatility, and the pigmentation of this palette. It is only $14, and you can get it at elfcosmetics.com and at Target.